Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start with the essentials. Make sure you're logged into an admin account and quit the app you plan to remove. Then open Finder and go to Applications or press Shift-Command to jump there. If the app came from the web, find the original disk image or Downloads folder and reveal the app in Finder. Once done, you'll be ready to remove the main app file. This avoids locked files and stranded background processes that prevent deletion. Now remove the application itself. Drag it to the trash or right-click the app icon and choose Move to Trash. Next, clean supporting files. Open Finder, press Shift-Command-G and check ~library/containers, ~library/preferences, and ~library/application support for folders named after the app. Delete them too. For system-wide items, check /library. Make sure background helpers are stopped before deleting. Finally, empty the trash to complete removal. This final step frees disk space and finish by removing helpers and addressing any stubborn files. Open System Settings, right arrow users and groups right arrow login items to remove startup helpers, and use Activity Monitor to quit remaining processes. If things persist, run the vendor's uninstaller or a trusted removal utility to catch hidden components. If deletion still fails, reboot into safe mode to prevent helpers from running, then repeat the folder removals and empty trash.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.